Prairie Hill Puppies. This is Kinsley and Einstein's Sheepadoodle puppies. They're born August 25th. This is Libby, Jasmine, Pippa, and Aspen for the girls. We got a whole bunch of girls in this litter. Just one boy.